Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable flood insurance comparison with Policygenius, full guide step by step clearly. To enable flood insurance comparison with Policygenius, start by visiting the Policygenius website. On the home page, locate the search bar or menu options. Type flood insurance into the search bar. Hit enter or click on the search icon to proceed. You will be directed to the flood insurance section of the site. Take a moment to read the available information about flood insurance options. Next, look for a button or link that says Compare Quotes or similar. Click on that button to initiate the comparison process. You'll be prompted to provide your zip code. Enter your zip code and click Get Started or the equivalent option. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and contact details. Next, specify any relevant property details, such as the type of home and its age. Provide information about previous flood insurance coverage, if applicable. You may need to answer questions about your property's flood risk. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once verified, submit your details to generate quotes. Wait a moment for Policygenius to gather flood insurance options. Once the options appear, take your time to review the different quotes. Compare the coverage details and premiums offered by each provider. Identify additional factors, such as deductibles and coverage limits. Select the policy that best fits your needs. Follow the prompts to proceed with purchasing the selected flood insurance policy. Finally, take note of any confirmation or policy documents you receive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.